Everyone assumes that the best-selling cooling fan for golf carts is the top choice. But is that really the case? If you dig a little deeper, you might find some surprising alternatives that actually work better. Product number 1, Kuni Misting Fan. First up is the Kuni 10,000 mAh battery-operated misting fan. Priced around $44.99, this product caught my attention because of its unique misting feature. If you want a refreshing breeze while enjoying some golf, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan features 3 adjustable wind speeds and 2 misting modes, which means you can enjoy a cool spray while you play. It can run up to 48 hours on a low setting, so you won't have to worry about it dying during your game. Plus, at just 30 dB, it operates quietly, allowing you to focus on your swing without distractions. Now, some people complained about the mist not being strong enough on high heat days. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a fan that cools you down without drenching you, this is actually a great balance. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself sweating it out on the course. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional fan without misting capabilities. For the price, it delivers excellent value for those long summer days. Now, if the misting feature isn't your thing, the next option could be more up your alley. Product number 2, Kuni Rechargeable Clip Fan. Next is the Kuni 10,000 mAh clip-on fan, which retails for about $35.99. This caught my eye because it's super portable and has a powerful battery life. If you want a reliable fan that you can easily clip anywhere, this one's worth considering. With its 360-degree rotation and strong airflow, this fan allows you to direct the breeze exactly where you need it. It can last up to 24 hours on a full charge, which is impressive for a battery-operated fan. Plus, the fast charging feature means you won't be waiting long to get it back up and running. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit noisy at higher speeds. I get it. If you're looking for absolute silence, this might not be your best bet. However, the airflow is fantastic, making it a great choice for hot days on the golf course. This is perfect for you if you want something compact and easy to attach to your golf cart or other surfaces. Skip this one if you're highly sensitive to noise while you play. It's a solid investment for a very reasonable price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize battery life. Product number 3, Corbott 40,000 mAh Clip-On Fan. The Corbott 40,000 mAh Clip-On Fan is next, priced at around $35.98. What really caught my attention here is its staggering battery life, up to 127 hours. If you're someone who spends all day on the golf course, this fan is definitely worth a look. This means you can cool down and light up your space without needing to get up. With operational noise below 23 dB, you can enjoy peace and quiet while you play. However, some users have found the remote a bit finicky. I'll be real with you, if you're not keen on using a remote, this might not be your favorite feature. But the extended battery life definitely makes up for any minor inconveniences. This is perfect for you if you hate the idea of your fan dying halfway through the day. Skip this if you're looking for something super compact, as it is a bit bulkier than others. For the value you get, it's definitely a great choice. Now, if you want something that's even more portable and versatile, keep watching. Product number 4, Ozzik 10 Portable Misting Fan. The Ozzik 10 Portable Misting Fan is another option, priced at $59.49. This caught my eye because it combines misting with a robust battery life. If you want something that offers both airflow and cooling mist, this is worth checking out. This fan features a triple nozzle design that provides wider mist coverage while blowing strong air. With a 9L water tank, you can expect to use it for up to 9 hours without needing to refill. The 20,000 mAh battery life offers up to 55 hours of cooling on fan mode, which is pretty impressive. However, some users have noted that the mist can get a little messy if not positioned correctly. Here's the thing, if you're careful about placement, you can avoid any mishaps, and the cooling effect is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you enjoy camping or spending long hours outdoors. Skip this if you want a fan that is strictly air without any misting features. It's a bit pricier than others, but the functionality and design can justify the cost. Now, if you're looking for something ultra-portable, the last product is something you won't want to miss. Product number 5, Imagio LFIN Magnetic Golf Cart Fan. Finally, we have the Imagio LFIN Magnetic Golf Cart Fan, which comes in a 2-pack for $55.99. What stands out about this fan is its magnetic base. If you need something that can attach securely to your golf cart, this one is definitely worth considering. This fan features a powerful 12,000 mAh battery that can last between 7 to 30 hours, depending on the speed. It has 3 adjustable speeds and a 360-degree rotation, allowing you to direct airflow wherever you need it. Plus, it includes an LED light, which is handy for those late-night rounds. On the downside, some users found the magnetic base could be a bit tricky on uneven surfaces. But honestly, if you're on a smooth golf cart, it holds up pretty well, and the convenience of quick attachment is a nice bonus. This is perfect for you if you often play golf at night or just want something easy to set up. Skip this if you're looking for a fan that operates solely on battery power without any cords. For the price and features, it's a fantastic value for golfers. In summary, whether you're looking for a misting option, a powerful battery, or a portable design, there's a fan on this list that suits your needs. So there you have it. From the Kuni misting fan to the Imagio LFIN magnetic fan, each product brings something different to the table. Depending on your needs, whether it's misting, battery life, or portability, you now have some great options to stay cool while enjoying your time on the golf course.